Hey, honey, I like to call this a seafood boil hack, but it's really a seafood boil starter kit. Listen, hey, honey, let's get our seafood on. We could do it real quick. Just grab you a bag of this two fish from any grocery store. I got mine from Kroger. I seen it at Walmart before. You're going to need a few extra things. You got to get you some lemon whenever you're dealing with seafood. You're going to get you some garlic, onion, some additional seasoning, and then we about to get this party started. You want to thaw it, cold water thaw it. When you don't thaw it and you just throw the frozen in there, that's what contributes to making those shells so soft and so hard to crack and pop open. And it takes longer, and sometimes that shrimp gets chewy. Just cold water thaw everything in the bag, and then just start throwing everything in the water. It comes with a little seasoning pack, and that's great to get you started. It got a little flavor to it, but I like a little more. And I like a little spice with mine. I needed more potatoes. That one little bag is just enough for one grown adult, and I need a little more potatoes. I personally would have liked some more corn. Throw them onions and stuff in there. Make sure you thaw the extra shrimp. I needed some extra shrimp in there. When I got through hooking it all up, it was enough for 2.5 people. Me and my daughter and my granddaughter, we really enjoyed it. Throw it all in there and let it boil a little bit. You don't want to let it overboil, but you do want to put the potatoes and the corn, and if you got some turkey necks or anything else, some eggs, put those in first. Let those boil. Let the potatoes get tender, and then throw the seafood in. It doesn't take that long for crab legs and shrimp to get just how you want them. Everything looks good, it smells good. Make sure you put a little lemon juice in there and a little lemon juice over it afterwards. I like to put a little extra seasoning, garnish with paprika and parsley, and then voila. Somebody tell Big Daddy I got the seafood boil over here ready. It was delicious, girls.